In this video, we will see how to create frequently bought together offer in the Wizio Bundle app. To get started, open the app from your Shopify admin panel. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, use the link given in the description to install the app. Once installed, open the app, then click here on frequently bought. From here, navigate to create offer. Now from here you can add the bundle information like bundle name, bundle title, button text, like this. Then enable this option if you want to display the compare price. Then you need to select the target. Choose all products if you want to display this bundle to all the products, and then from here you need to add the total product count. From here you can select the product properties to show the related products. You can select multiple conditions at once, and you can drag and drop to set the priorities. From here you need to select the product. And if you want to display this bundle for a specific product, then select this option. Now choose the product. Choose the offered product from here. Then you can select the product discount like full discount or partial discount, in which there are different options. You can check. Here you will find a variety of customization options for your bundle. You can check its preview in the right side, and then click on Save button to save the bundle. Click on View icon from here to check how it will look on your store's product. Scroll down and here it's visible. Make sure it's visually appealing and easy for your customers to understand. That's it for the video. If you have any query or need setup related help, you can reach out to us through our email or chat support. Thank you.